Today's topic is how to get into cybersecurity. The first step is to research the cybersecurity field thoroughly. Understand the different roles, job requirements, and industry trends. This will help you determine which specific area of cybersecurity aligns with your interest and strengths. Second point is you need to grasp the fundamentals of the cybersecurity field, meaning you have to develop core skills which are crucial in cybersecurity. Some key skills include computer networking, programming, risk assessment, and incident response, etc. By mastering these foundation skills, you will be well prepared to tackle challenges in the field. Third point is formal education. While certifications are important, but higher education can provide you with a deeper understanding of cybersecurity concepts. Consider pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in cybersecurity or information security field. This will not only expand your knowledge but also open doors to advanced career opportunities. Next point is join capture the flag competitions, meaning gain practical experience. Because practical experience is invaluable in the cybersecurity field. Look for internships, entry level positions, or volunteer opportunities to gain hands on experience. Joining cybersecurity communities, participating in capture the flag competitions, and building your own projects will further enhance your practical skills. Acquire some certifications because they play a vital role in the cybersecurity industry. Have certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CISSP, because these will enhance your credibility and increase your chances of landing a job in this competitive field. After doing all this, specialize in a specific domain which is of your interest, such as incident reporting, security analysis, or network forensics, or say cybersecurity forensics, or you may opt for cryptography, or there may be another interesting field, threat intelligence, penetration testing, digital forensics, web app security, malware analysis, cloud security, vulnerability assessment, social engineering defense, then wireless network security, IoT security, application security, or say cybersecurity policy and governance, etc. There are multiple domains. So choose any which is of your interest.